Righto, g'day tubers. Today I want to do something a little bit different for me. I'm going to do a 10-year boot review and why I bought the same boots again after the old ones failed. So take a step back. 1999, I bought a pair of leather Scarpas. Beautiful, but they needed to be worn in. They were expensive. I mean, back then I think they cost me, from memory, $440 Australian. It was a butt ton of money. Eventually they died on a big lap. 2015, April 2015, they finally died. The glue came off on a 60-degree beach. It was 45-degree ambient air. It was just a crazy day. It was Friday the 13th. I remember it very well. Anyway, long story short, so I bought these, and this is what I've just replaced. So these are, I'm not sure what they are. They're like an early version of a Targhee. They're a Keen. They've got the Keen Dry waterproofness that never really seemed to work very well. But I bought them. I paid $180 for these in April 2015, and they were down from, I think, 280 or something like that. They were immediately comfortable, and that was an absolute selling point for me. So as soon as I put them on, and you see the bases here, they're not even worn down very much. As soon as I put them on, they just felt like they were meant to be. Walked around the shop, they felt fantastic. Did about 650 odd kilometers logged with these boots on, and probably just walking around, they've done thousands of kilometers of everything from walking on a roadway up to class 4 and class 5 climbs in really rugged country, and in water and in mud and in snow. So super good boot. I've taken them all over the world. Fantastic. Now, why am I replacing them? Because after about 4 or 5 different repairs, the heels have finally given up the ghost, and they did this climbing to Ruin Castle in the Blue Mountains. It's a 25k walk. It's about 1200 meters of climbing. Anyway, it's a sensational walk in the Blue Mountains, and it killed these boots. Well, it didn't kill them, but they just died. So why did I replace these with these? So these are a triple black Targhee for mid WPM. So basically it's the identical boot, and for me, US 10, UK 9.5, Euro 43. They were again immediately comfortable. I put them on. They've got a nice little back grab here. They've got plenty of room in the toe area. I put these on. They were immediately comfortable. I thought, yep, these are the boots for me. I did try on I tried on some Scarpas, which were about $560. Yeah, they felt okay, but I thought that's a lot of money for a boot. And they didn't immediately feel as comfortable as the Keens. I also tried on Salomons, and I tried on some Merrells. And the Merrells, of course, have got a Vibram sole. They look like they've got a slightly more aggressive tread pattern. I think that's a 4mm. The Merrells might have been a 5mm, and a better hooking here for descending, which is important. And anyway, I went back to these. Anaconda had these for sale for $320, $319, which is the list price on the Keen website in Australia. I went to Macpac around the corner from me, and they were $220. So I bought them straight away. The only thing I don't like is black. What is it with black? Not everything has to be black. So what's wrong with a bit of brown? Which is why I like these. Now, the other thing I like about these, they've got these really weird kind of, I don't know how you, they're like ribbed laces. So they actually hook into the hooks here really well. They are really superb, and I haven't changed these laces in 10 years, 1,000 kilometers. So the Scarpas, they lasted from 1999 to 2015, so 16 years. Then these have lasted from 2015, April 2015 to November 2025, so let's call that 10 years. And I'm 55. If these last me to 65, that's pretty good. So 3 sets of boots for a lifetime, I think, is absolutely outstanding. So paying $220 for these, very happy. So really what this is about was to say, don't be fussed on, I think it's less about price point, less about features like Gore-Tex and waterproofing. It's all about comfort, and these were immediately comfortable for me, and they've been a pretty reliable boot. Yes, I've had to repair them, but that's after almost 1,000 kilometers of walking or more, and over 10 years, and the stitching is still really good. And basically they've been a super boot. They're absolutely reliable, unbelievably grippy in all terrains. Couldn't be happy with these. and that is why I went back for the same thing again. So couldn't recommend these Keens highly enough. And I have a particularly wide hoof. You'll never see it in the video, but I've always had wide feet. Too much time spent out of shoes in the 70s as a kid, I expect. Anyway, that's it. If you're going to buy some boots, go for comfort first and everything else second.